Alex Rowe reporting for Glass Online here at Glasstec 2022, and here I'm with Romain Pioch, who is Tiama's head of sales. Romain, tell us something about your company, please.
Yeah, hello. So Tiama is one of the world-leading company in terms of inspection machines, but not only, because since the last decades we diversified our activity, and we now have a full range of product and services through hot end monitoring, traceability, laboratory equipment, all the data solution that we can provide, and of course a full set of services. As far as our activity, we also created this year a hot end business unit, which is still integrated into Tiama, but we want to be able to be more focused on this specific activity, to be able to be more agile, because this is a specific market. So we have Michel Carpentier with our hot end business unit director. We also created in this direction a joint venture with Botero, which is called Glassform.ai. The purpose of this joint venture is actually to be able to propose automation platform between all the data that you can collect in the glass factory and the IS machine, and to have an open protocol to be able to fit this platform with any suppliers from IS machine, from cold end inspection, hot end inspection, or whatever. So it's between Tiama and Botero, but it's accessible to all suppliers for all the customers.
Okay, very interesting. And has Tiama faced any challenges in 2022?
Well, of course, we had the same challenges that everyone had about component shortages and things like this, but we increased the number of persons working at the supply chain, and we managed to mitigate the impact on our customers, and actually we didn't have any delays about the project, which is a very good sign for us, and our lead time are still the same. There are still, actually 2022 is a strange year because of the energy costs, because of the problem with employment, which is difficult to hire skilled operators. So this drives Tiama into developing new solutions which are also more automated. We are talking about artificial intelligence. This is on every booth today, but with Tiama we've developed some solutions like the AI Quality Shield, for instance, which is a fully automated inspection about the sidewall defects with no zones, no manual adjustment, and we are inputting this into all our machines, because we think that this is definitely the goal and the trend in the near future.
Very interesting. And would you like to tell us some of your predictions for 2023?
Well, we already have a good book of order for 2023, so we think that the year will be very exciting. There are a lot of projects. Sometimes it's crazy when we see so many projects going on at the same time, but on the same period there is an increasing demand of glass. There is a lack of glass. We see our customers who can't serve all their customers, so there is definitely a big need. So I think the trend will still be good and continue like this.
Very good. Is there anything else you'd like to add at all?
So maybe I would like to introduce the universe, which is actually a concept that we've introduced during Glasstec, and now we are getting one step further into this direction. So Tiama has always been a leader in the inspection field, but now we are providing much more than this, and through the data matrix for unique identification, through the laboratory, and we have an exclusive partnership with Somex, from which we can provide now a full automated laboratory solution as well as sampling solution. On top of this, we have all the data structure to be able to collect all the information, the measurement, and all this kind of data. And we also have an extra layer which is called a data mine, which enables us to correlate the data. There is more than 1,400 parameters in the glass factory, so we need to find correlation to tell our customers which is a good setting. And we have already 8 test cases about this, and we could bring more than 3% of pack to melt increase thanks to this. So this is a very good achievement, and actually the last step of this dynamic is to go with Glassform.ai with the full automation, because eventually the preconization will be done not to human beings but to the machine actually. and we are very close from closing some more loops, so that's very exciting.
Very interesting. Okay, thank you very much for your time, Romain.
Thank you for this interview, and I wish you a good Glasstec.